we were going to celebrate National Ice Cream Month by making my personal favorite. Just a simple sundae. Mint chocolate chip. This is from Longacres. With sprinkles. I call them sprinkles. Chocolate syrup, Hershey's, Pennsylvania as well. I did get store brand whipped cream. One little secret, when you scoop out the ice cream, here I have, the scoop is in a cup with warm water. Heats up the scoop so you can really get a nice round shape to the scoop. So there you have it, a simple sundae. Mint chocolate chip is my favorite flavor. You can use your favorite flavor. You can talk about it in the comments section what your favorite flavor is. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, to the Pennsylvania T-shirt company. Pennsylvania T-shirt company, as you can see, my T-shirt is from Lebanon County. We've got Lebanon Bologna. All the T-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts that we have at the Pennsylvania T-shirt company follow this simple rule. Unique, locally themed designs, simple designs that capture the essence of each county. I'm Mark Riegel, founder of Pennsylvania T-shirt company, and goodbye.